Assalamu alaikum dear guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying the life with their sweet family and friends. I am also good, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So let's back to video. Today I am going to share with you very impressive and very attractive ideas, cutest and stylish ideas, top trending fashion and top stylish fashion about beautiful wooden projects. It's a very beautiful and stylish ideas about beautiful wooden projects. Wooden fantastic ideas, wooden beautiful things, wooden projects, wooden ideas, wooden things. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. Wow, it's so impressive, it's amazing and cutest ideas about beautiful wooden projects. What you want to see in the next video, comment in comment section. If you want to get many more ideas about beautiful wooden projects, then please, I must suggest you must watch my video till the end. You can see in this video different styles, different ideas about beautiful wooden projects like a chairs, table sets, decoration pieces, and also many more small things, big things, wooden yard ideas and wooden beautiful decorated ideas with beautiful wooden pieces. It's a fantastic and fabulous ideas, cutest, stylish and amazing beautiful wooden projects. So beautiful and so fantastic ideas about beautiful wooden projects. So guys, what you want to see in the next video? Too much cutest and wonderful ideas. It's a handmade ideas and beautiful creative things, creative ideas, creative wooden projects. So guys, please do support my all videos, do support my all ideas about beautiful wooden projects. Now I have to go. Bundle of thanks for watching my videos. See you again till the next ideas, next video, next projects with the different ideas about beautiful wooden projects. Goodbye, have a nice day and superb day. Please do support, like, comment and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. I have to go. Allah Hafiz.